Hey guys, it's Gabrielle Ishell, and today I have a very fun video. I am a brand affiliate for Macy's, and they sent me so many products to try out and to post on my new storefront. So I will be leaving the link below for my storefront if you're interested in shopping any of the things that you will see in this video. I'm a little bit overwhelmed with all the things that they sent me. So I opened a few things at first, but then they kept coming. I get like a package every single day, and I'm like, well, let me just hold off until I get all of them, and I could just do one big unboxing video. So that is what we have here. If you're interested, keep on watching and you won't be disappointed. So I just want to show you the first things that I got that I actually already opened. So these items were all free. They were sent to me by Macy's, and the first thing I got is the Mercier setting spray, and it came in this very fancy Mercier bag, and it even has a little thank you note. That's the translucent loose setting powder. Did I say setting spray? It's setting powder. It's like the white powder, so it should be able to fit all shades. So I'm very excited to try this out. Next, I got the Jimmy Choo perfume, and this is so pretty. Look at the packaging. I only own 4 perfumes: Coach, Dior, Chanel, because her name's Gabrielle and I like that, and Michael Kors. But now I have so many more. So I also got the Rebecca Minkoff perfume, and this is such a cute bottle. We'll spray this on my arm to see. This one is like a citrusy scent. This, okay, so I'm not gonna open them all because all of them are not easy to open like this. But I also have the Coach Dreams perfume, the Coach Floral perfume, and then I also have the Versace Bright Crystal perfume. So I got a lot already. This is only 5, and you've seen all these boxes. These weren't even in the boxes that I just showed, so I have a lot of stuff to open. Then I have the Mario Badescu skincare Hyaluronic Dew Cream. So I'm excited to try this out. This is very different for me. For my skincare, I usually use Clinique, and now more recently I've been using Fenty Skin. But it's just supposed to be a hydrating gel cream, and it gives your skin a dewy finish and a fresh face glow. And then I got this huge box here of vitamin C capsules. So there's about, I would say it looks like there's 20 of these in here. And I've seen these because I've gotten free stuff from Influencer. They have like little capsules, and I've actually been using one of these, but they have like little capsules in here, and there's like a serum. It's supposed to visibly brighten even skin tone and protect against premature aging signs. And it's a serum, so you use it right before your moisturizer. So I've been using this, not consistently, but I've been using it for the last week or so. I can update you guys on how they work for my skin, if they make my skin look a little bit brighter, because I haven't posted anything right now. I think it's too soon to tell. Next, I got this Michael Kors Wanderlust perfume. And then these are all the open boxes. And now that we got those out the way, we can open some more. And this is so exciting for me. I love free stuff. And this is from Macy's. So like all these things are like, I would consider luxury brand items. Maybe not Coach, because I can afford Coach and Michael Kors, or I regularly buy those things. But Jimmy Choo, I don't own anything Jimmy Choo, Versace. So, alright, the next item we have here is a cleansing spa water. This looks interesting. So, contains natural herbal essences, oil-free and mildly acidic. So, this is supposed to remove makeup and leave nutrients to replenish and rejuvenate your skin. And this is, again, the Cleansing Spa Water by Couture. This is very interesting. Okay, ooh. We have dry shampoo. Detox dry shampoo. And my friend Kelsley just put me on onto dry shampoo when I had my faux locks. So I'm really excited to try this for the next time I do a protective style. And you guys know I do a lot of protective styles. If you're interested in those, I have a playlist. I'll leave that up above in the cards. Ooh, J'ádore. It's Dior. And I only have one Dior perfume. I actually got it last Christmas. So I'm excited to try this one out. Guys, now this one says fragile. And it's funny because they send me big boxes and sometimes only have one item in it. So I'm like, you're wasting a lot of packaging. But I'm also getting free stuff, so I really can't complain. All right. Oh, we have eye cream. This is a hypoallergenic CBD sensitive skin therapy, soothing and hydrating eye cream. It's supposed to hydrate and soothe the most sensitive skin around the eyes. I'm always looking for eye cream. Ooh, this packaging is really pretty. Okay, next I'll go for a big box. Inside of the big box is a smaller box. See what I'm talking about with the wasting the packaging? Inside of this box is an even smaller. So look, this big box they sent me had this little thing in it. They could have sent me a box this big or that small. But this one, it says Becca. It's a shimmering skin perfector pressed champagne pop. So, let's open that up. Oh, this is so pretty. I've never heard of this brand before, Becca. But I love the packaging. Ooh, it's like a highlighting powder. Let's see. Very pretty. Packaging is so important to me. I love me a good package. All right, now I have another huge box. Inside this big box is another very small box. I can't get over that. Okay, this one is called Viva la Juicy Le Bubble. It's by Juicy Couture. Ooh, there's multiple products in here. Oh, they're perfumes. So we have a warm cotton, and then we have a rain. This one looks sort of like a cigarette box. And then we have the classic skin. Okay, so I'm gonna read the back because I've never heard of this brand before. So it's called Clean Beauty Collective Inc. And on the back it says clean formula, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, eco-conscious, recyclable, and transparency. So I'm sure it's transparent because they talk about what they do with their products. So I'm just gonna open one of these, and of course I'm gonna do the purple one because purple's my favorite color. Packaging is very simple. So I'm just gonna spray. Woo. Smelled it too soon. It does smell clean. It's a very light and simple, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a very light kind of floral scent, but it does smell clean and fresh. So there's that. I have 3 from them, so that's pretty cool. This looks like a lip Plumping lip polish. And it's by a brand called Buxom. Shimmering, pout, popping, shine, refreshing, tingling sensation. This is what it looks like. There's a little scandalous chick on the front. And let's see, this is, okay, the Dolly is the color, I think. It's like a, maybe mauve-y color. Let's open it. Ooh, this is pretty. Very pretty color. So it's supposed to make your lips plump. And this one has a little card in here. The retail value is $21 for this little lip gloss here. Okay, we have another little package. This one kind of fell out the box. Ooh, it's a primer. So let's look at the box. It says Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer by Smashbox. So I'm gonna show you the box, and it's funny because the box is actually smashed. I'm so corny, but that's how it came in, in the packaging. So Vitamin Glow. And it's a really pretty color. It feels like glass almost. So I gotta be careful not to drop this, but it's a primer. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. I wonder if it smells like orange or citrus. It does smell a little citrusy, and it doesn't, like, you know how sprays usually mist out? It doesn't do that. It kind of like dripped down on me. So I'm really excited to try this out. You might have to put it in your hand first, squeeze it or spray it in your hand, and then put it on your face. Very cool. Then I have another small little box. Ooh, I've always seen these and I've always wanted to try them. I actually got one for my grandmother, like a set of this for my grandmother one year. But they're Philosophy One-Step Facial Cleanser. And I love the packaging. It's so simple, but simple is good sometimes. You don't always need to be extravagant to catch someone's eye. And I've always had my eye on that brand, but I just never went forward with purchasing anything for myself. So very excited to try this out. And guys, this really blows me. Like, this big box has this little freaking product in here. But anyways, B-L-G-A-R-I. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I've seen this. It's more of a luxury brand. Rose Goldea Blossom Delight. It's a perfume. So this little box here, Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So it looks like it says it's a primer and moisturizer all in one. So Bobbi Brown, I've never owned any of their products either. Shout out to my cousin Candace because she does use Bobbi Brown's foundation. I've never used any other products, and this looks like a really creamy. Ooh, it smells lemony. It's a little creamy consistency. And I have one more item, and this one is kind of heavy in the big box. Oh my God, look at, okay, let me read this first. Okay, it's called Parlux. Dear Gabrielle, we are so excited to be partnering with you on some of our new favorite fragrances by Vince Camuto. Please also enjoy the extra Jason Woo gifts as a token of our appreciation. Many thanks. Purex Fragrances. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, this is a big box. There's so much in here. Ouch. There is so much in here, guys. And they even have like a little makeup bag. I love it. Okay, let's see. I'm so excited, guys. I just got a paper cut or a cardboard cut. Jason Woo cosmetic bag. very cute. A little spacious. You can put some stuff in there. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, since it says Vents Camuto, I'm gonna look at all the vents. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so we have a perfume here. It's called Illuminare. And then we have, this is huge. And the color, guys, it goes with my color scheme. The next one is the Vents Camuto Brilliante. And then the next one is called Bella. And Bella means beautiful. And my family calls me Belle, so this one is gonna be special to me. I'm gonna try this one first. And the packaging is really pretty on all of them. Bella. And then they sent me an extra one. Oh, wow. I sound like a little kid. I sound like the video. Oh, wow, an avocado. Perfume spray, Jason Wu perfume spray. And then there is a nail polish too. It's like a nude color. Oh my god, guys. I am so excited for all of this stuff. I'm so excited to be partnering with Macy's and all these other companies that have sent me things. I'm just so excited. So I might do like little reviews on some of these items, the ones that are more skincare related. And then like in the hair one, like dry shampoo. And then I might also come back with either a giveaway or just an update on my favorite items out of these collections that I received. And like I said before, if you're interested in anything that I mentioned here, don't forget to check out my link to my storefront, my Macy's storefront. It will be right in the description box below. And I will have all these products listed out. It's right down here. Go check that out. I'm so excited to be using these products. So I want to say thank you to Macy's for sending these to me. I'm very appreciative. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video of all these items. I got 28 freaking items. I'm still in shock. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.